Hello, Nia Hines here. So I want to just quickly answer this question. What is the difference between a travel agent and a travel advisor? So real quick, less than 60 seconds. A travel agent is just someone who books travel. There's 1,000,001 of them, okay? There's probably a whole bunch of them on your timeline. It's just a person who books travel. They are not well traveled. They may have experience booking travel for people, but they're not necessarily very well traveled. And they just are booking agents. A travel advisor is someone like me I am a professional travel advisor. I am very well traveled. I have a lot of expertise and knowledge in the travel industry. I've been to a lot of destinations. I have firsthand experience. And I curate experiences based on what my client is looking for. So let's say you come to me and you say, I want to have a destination wedding, and you tell me what type of experience you want to have, what type of experience you want your guests to have. I will know because I'm very well traveled. I've been to a lot of destinations. So I can take the information that you're giving me and help you determine a destination, accommodations, all of that would be a good fit for your wedding. Same thing for, if it's a special occasion, you're celebrating something special, or if you're a business owner and you're looking to provide an experience to your clients or your community or your employees. Same thing. You come to me, you have the idea about what you want to do with your community or your clients or your employees. You may even have, particular dates that maybe you do an annual thing with your clients every year. There are certain destinations that are better around certain times of the year. Like sometimes I'll hear people, they say they booked a trip to a destination and it's like, that's the worst time of the year to go, those type of things. So, an advisor really helps you curate, and I will speak to me personally. I am an advisor that helps you curate experiences. But I'm very well traveled, so I'm able to advise you on different destinations, what time of the year is best, what type of, experience, excursions and things like that you can partake in, like just the whole total experience. And I'm able to advise you on that. I don't just book trips. And so if you're looking for someone to just book you something or just a booking agent, there's millions of them to choose from. But if you ever work with Notiq Agency or any advisors that I've worked with personally that have graduated from the academy, we are professional travel advisors. So we're going to advise you on what's best based on what you're looking for. And those are the biggest differences. So, if you're into having meaningful travel experiences, not just going somewhere to get a photo op or just going somewhere to say you went somewhere, but you really want to enjoy and, get the fullness of a destination, the cultural immersion and the food and the tours and excursions and the whole experience, work with an advisor, work with, Notiq Agency. We advise you and we're professional advisors, not just booking agents. So hopefully that was helpful. Bye.